to show you 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.